everyone. For an arithmetic sequence with the first term 100 and the common difference is d, and d is an integer, the sum of the first n terms has a maximum value when n is 12. So we want to find the value of the seventh term, a sub 7. Okay, so basically we're going to let d be the common difference and just think this one through a little bit. All right, for this one, since we have s sub 12 is a maximum value, right? Because has a maximum value when the first terms when n equals 12. So this is a maximum value. That means the 12th term has to be positive. And that also means that the 13th term has to be negative, less than or equal to 0. Or let's just put less than 0. So the 13th term has to be negative. And this one can be equal to 0 or positive because we're talking about integers. All right. So basically what we have is for the 12th term, using this formula here, we have a sub 12 equals 100 plus 11d, and that has to be positive. And then for this one, we have 100, let me put a sub 13. So a sub 13, which equals 100 plus 12d, has to be negative. So let's set our common difference in between here. Solving for d, we have d is greater than or equal to negative 100 divided by 11. That's this one. But smaller than this one would be negative 100 divided by 12. All right. Now, if I make this into fractions, this is going to give me negative 9 point something, right? So, what would that be? 99. That would be 1 over 100th. And this would be negative 8 point something. Let's just put point something. All right. So that means since d has to be an integer, that means our d has to equal negative 9. All right, because it has to be a maximum for the 12th when our value is 12. Therefore, a sub 7 is going to equal 100 plus 6 times your common difference. Right, so basically we're just using this formula again. A sub n equals your first term plus n minus 1 times d. So there's your 7 minus 1 is 6, and your d is negative 9. So basically a sub 7 is going to equal 46. And that is your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.